Hi, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to work out how to calculate the lowest common denominator, or the LCD. Why this is important is because in order to solve each one of these particular fraction questions, we need to know what the LCD is. Now when we're trying to calculate the LCD, we are interested in only the denominator, right? That's all we're interested in at this particular point in time. So in order to calculate the lowest common denominator, all we need to do is list our two particular denominators, in this case 3 and 4, and we're just going to list off multiples until we find two that we have in common. So we can do 6, we can do 9, we can do 12, and then 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is going to be 12, and there we go. We have our lowest common denominator already. Right? As soon as we have this number, that's our lowest common denominator. We'll worry about what to do in the next video. But right now, I just want you to be able to calculate it for every single pair of fractions. All right, let's look at the second one. We have 5 and we have 2. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, then 8. Sorry, not 4, then 8. 4, then 6, then 8, and then 10. Right, so as soon as we realize, oh, actually this and this are our lowest common multiples or lowest common denominator, we know that our LCD is equal to 10. Right, let's do the next one. We have 5 and we have 6. So we're going to do, list them off. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. And then we have 6 and 12 and 18 and 24. And 30, and there's our lowest common denominator, which is equal to 30. Right, our last one is 7 and 4. So let's list those off. We have 14, we have 21, 28, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So we know that this is our LCD. Now, in the last lesson, we talked about the easiest common denominator, which is just found by multiplying these two together, right? And if you did that, you find that each case, this is going to be the same thing. So LCD is just going to be 5 times 2, or LCD is just going to be 5 times 6. This is not always the case, but if you can't think of a way in which to find the lowest common denominator, what you can do is use the easiest common denominator instead. So there's some questions after this. Please have a go, and I'll see you in the next video.